The birds used to go around to see who is worshiping Allah or not. And the birds came back. The hudhud came back and told him, she's not worshiping Allah. So what he did, very interesting, and I want to share this with myself and you. He wrote a letter to her. And this is another lesson, how you write a letter. And in his letter, he said, in the same surah, chapter 27, verse 30, he said, Min Sulayman wa innahu bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the letter, that teaches us when you write a letter, he was writing a letter to a non-Muslim, doesn't worship Allah, but he wrote bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So when you hear some characters telling you, don't write bismillahir rahmanir rahim on your letter. Some of us write letters to Muslims and we don't put bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Sulayman alayhi salatu wasalam is writing a letter to a non-Muslim. And he puts bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Go check the verse. Ayah number 30, chapter 27. And another lesson we learn in this, the sunnah of writing a letter is that you must always put it as from whom the letter is coming. From Sulayman. That was a sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also. Whenever he wrote a letter, he will say from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then, and begin in the name of Allah and write your letter. It has barakat. Barakat. As I said, some of us don't even do it. I send non-Muslims bismillahir rahmanir rahim. They got to learn it. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, inshallah. And then they also send back bismillah, alhamdulillah, inshallah. Yeah, that's dawah. So he sent that, and then he said, Allah ta'alu alayya wa'tuni muslimin. And he gave her the message straight. You see the dawah? He says, don't be arrogant. You're a queen. You got money. You're big. You're hikey-tikey. Whatever. Don't be arrogant. I write to you to submit to Allah. Become a Muslim. Submission to Allah. Straightforward.